So you don't have any problems with the Canvas. That's very good. So
Mm.
now we are going to talk about first what is indexing, brother. What is
Indexing, what I know generally is we may have a lot of files or information or records in our system. Indexing may be helping that one to organize in a particular ordered based on its address location or something like that. That's what
mm,
I know.
yes, brother. Exactly. So indexing means accessing individual elements.
Mm-hmm.
So accessing individual elements of a sequence like list, string, or tuple.
Mm.
So using the position.
Okay.
Position means index of that element.
Mm.
So
Okay.
Python uses zero based indexing,
Mm-hmm.
meaning the first element is at position 0.
Okay.
So I think we did we so so it is a range range function give you from where to starts and where it ends,
Mm-hmm.
then how many elements we have in this list. So again, a list is equal to list of range. A list function will give you um, how many elements are there.
Okay. Okay.
This is a function and it takes
Mm-hmm.
this one as a input, so it gives you what it has. So 0 to 5 means 5 is not included. It starts
Mm-hmm.
from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
So if we want to access a list of 1 means the first element, like the second element in the list.
Mm-hmm.
Any
Okay.
questions, brother?
No, no, no. So list of zero mean will give the first value in the ordered form, which will give zero. List zero means.
Yeah, 0 means 0, 1 means 1, 2 means 2, 3 means 3, 4 means 4. Because we have these
Okay.
numbers, but indexing position starts from 0.
Okay. Okay.
So list equal to, let's say 54, maybe 1, 4, 5, 4, 6, random numbers, negative
Mm-hmm.
3, 4, 5, 0, 2, 3, 3, something like this. So
Mm-hmm.
if I reassign, make sure we don't have any errors, then
Mm-hmm.
So if I print print of a list, can you guess, brother, what will be the output?
Mm, a list. Zero.
Yeah, 0, right, brother. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So
Okay.
you can reassign a list. Last time we talked about list. You remember, brother, the definition of list?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. It
So,
is ordered,
mm-hmm,
uh, mutable
mm-hmm,
collection of values. It can have all types of data types, complex,
mm-hmm.
integer, string, whatever. Yeah, and that it is starting with indexing 0 to 1.
It accepts all data types. So
Yeah, yeah,
now,
yeah.
so in Python, indexing starts from 0, means
Mm,
is a zero based index, meaning the first element is at position 0, which means
mm,
54. We can reassign these values. Then 1 means second position in the list.
mm, 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 mm,
So Python also navigate indexing. Negative indexing lets you count from the end.
mm, mm,
So negative indexing starts from -1.
mm.
So -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9.
Okay, okay.
So these are negative steps. So if I go here, if I give -1, we'll get 3.
Negative one. Okay, first three.
So yeah,
So,
from this side,
mm,
okay, this 3.
mm, mm, mm. Got it, got it.
So negative indexing starts from here, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5.
Okay, okay. 3, 4, 5.
So any doubts, brother?
No, no, no.
So list can have a different data types. If you
Mm.
if you remember, list can have a, it takes all kinds of data set.
Yeah, yeah.
So a list equal to, let's say 4 comma, maybe take one float. Mm, so how many data types we have here?
One integer, one float, and another list inside this list. 3.
Yep, great, brother. So invalid
There is a
syntax. So why do we have invalid syntax here?
after index there is comma missing.
Yeah, good, brother. Arre.
No, no, no. There, there. Yes. Should be okay.
Yeah, so we got this. So what is index of 0?
Index of 0 means 4.
4. A list of 2. What will we get list of 2?
The list itself. Yeah, 0, 1, 2. Yeah.
So yeah, so 0, 1, 2. Now I'm going to do, so do you, now what will be the output?
You are multiplying, not multiplying. List A 2. list A2 means it is the 0, 1, 2. It is showing a list. I don't know. Will it add? I don't know that operation. Simply mention.
Yeah. So now a list, whatever the numbers we have given here, 4, 3.2, 9 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, then 5, then 4. Okay, so this is a list, right, brother? 3.2 comma and 9 comma 4 comma 5 comma 4. This is our list, right? So a list, this is a 0 indexing and position.
Yeah.
First element, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3.
Yeah.
So if I access this one, what I will get?
That one.
That one. So which is 945, right? So now list of 2 means in this list, second list, the second indexing. What is second indexing?
Another list with 945.
945. Now we have to see in this list second index. In this list,
0, 1, 2, 5.
0, 1, 2, 5.
Okay.
5. So any questions, brother?
No.
So so what will we get? Hello, right?
Yeah.
So now if I got -1, what will be the answer?
0. Sorry, O.
Oh yeah, it makes sense. 0 or whatever. So
Yeah.
our concept is, are we understanding things?
Yes.
So now this is like a attribute of penguin in the following list. Anything. So I'm giving a variable list of list equal to, so list can accept any kinds of data set, like data type. So what kind of things we have here, brother?
Integer, string, list,
Mm-hmm.
and another dictionary.
So we don't have any errors. So if I access, we will get this whole list, right?
Correct.
What if I access list of list 4?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We should get that entire dictionary.
So 4 means we will get this one, right?
Yeah.
Penguin M. So now we have to get the attribute of penguin. How can we get an attribute?
Uh,
Penguin's attribute means like this
okay.
one.
Uh, okay.
So how can we access?
List of list in next square bracket 1.
Okay, so you said
Penguin. Penguin. Yeah, yeah, there we have to mention penguin. I
yes.
don't know.
Yeah, great.
Mm.
So we have to mention PENGUIN, penguin.
Yeah.
So this is what indexing. Any questions, brother? Indexing means.
No, 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 no.
Next, we'll talk about slicing.
Okay.
So now you understand, right, brother? What's happening
Yeah.
here? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Next, what is slicing?
Slicing is something large thing we are making into small pieces, right? Data slices or I don't know.
No problem, brother. I'm here
Slice
to
and
teach.
dices.
So yeah, what is slicing? So slicing means getting a part of sequence.
Hmm.
Part of a sequence means a sublist,
Hmm. Hmm.
substring, etc. So slicing means getting a part of a sequence, sublist or a substrings using
Hmm.
a start stop format.
Okay.
So sequence, the basic syntax, sequence start, stop.
Okay.
So start means index to start from. Index to starts from, which is inclusive.
Hmm. Hmm.
Stop, stop means index to stop before. Index to stop before, which
So stop.
means exclusive.
One is inclusive, and that is okay. Got it. Got it.
So
Hmm.
slicing can have anything.
Okay.
So we can take any example. Let's say a list equal to list of range, it's a 5 comma 11. We don't have any errors. List. So we got it starts from 5, 6, 7. So it returned a type list. Range
Hmm.
starts from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 because it's not included.
So it works basically on um, 5, the starting value, and then the value. If I write instead of 11, if I write 110, it will give up to 109, right?
Yes,
That's all.
that's
Okay,
right.
okay.
Yeah.
And range, can you mention the? Oh, okay, no, so nothing. Please go on.
Yeah. So now if we start a list, so if you have any doubts, because never keep your doubts with your doubts, it will be a doubt, big doubt.
Mhm,
It's always good to
mhm,
ask doubts because you are paying and I'm
mhm,
here to teach. Make sure that I have to clear every single doubt. If even if I don't know, I will take time
mhm,
to answer every
mhm,
single question that my students has. That's my goal.
mhm. Okay.
So thanks for asking, brother. So what will be the output now? Sorry.
Mm, a list. So zeroth position is five. Only five.
Great, brother. So if I give 2, what will be the output?
Zero, one, two. Two is exclusive. So five and six. 5,6.
So what did you say, brother?
Five and six will come inside. Yeah.
Now, now I'm going to give a list of 2 to 5.
Answer will be zero, one, two. So answer will be it will be starting with a 0, 1, 2, 7,
Mm-hmm.
then 8, 9.
Great, brother. So it starts from index 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not included, right, brother? 5.
Yeah. Int value is not included.
Yeah. Then if I say a list, so what will be the output for this?
It will be starting with 0, 1, 2, okay, 0, 2, 2 to 9. Sorry, 7 to 9.
7, 8, 9, 10.
So if there is no end value, it will go to the end of the list, right? Okay.
It starts from 0, like the index
Mm,
position 2 until end, because we have not mentioned any position. If you mention
correct.
a explicitly position, then it will stop the index before the value, before the number.
Mm.
So so this operator will give what kind of data set we are using.
Who?
Percentage who,
Percentage.
list, list, arrange data frame columns, data frame has data type string, data frames, getups, hash lib, import panda. These are the things, but make sure it will give you what kind of data set we use.
So this gives the general list, right? The entire thing.
Yes, we are using this one as a general list. So
Sorry, since you asked me a question, like ask anything, so I'm stopping you. So when we when we the initial you told that you are not showing installation, but I have just one question. So why we are using path variable in Python installation like any other installation? Still, I don't have that real concept. So can you please explain? Because I know in future it may be useful, but why we are using path variable or something like that? Not now or later. What I would like to know about that.
okay, I will
Setting
explain
the,
in the later then.
setting the path or something. Okay, yeah.
So you're asking about the path variable, right?
Yeah. Why we need to do something like that, and main that directory structure, right? And .env, .config, how everything works togetherly in our programming.
Okay, so yeah, so I always put a dashboard in the homework when I get uh, so a dashboard will give you an opportunity. If you write those questions, then I will
Mm-hmm.
make sure to answer every question in the class or before coming to the class or after coming to the class, so that you will clarify.
Yeah. Then that will be great. I have a lot of simple questions.
Yeah.
Once you set, when should I check my canvas again? Today or tomorrow?
Yeah, so today or tomorrow I will update. Maximum I will update once I update your canvas, your stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So then I will send you a text message. So
Okay.
only do this the homework, but those are the people that the homework is not for you, for other people. So
Mm-hmm.
this command we
Okay.
use is a magic command that shows a list of all the variables currently defined in our notebook.
Mm-hmm.
All the variables.
Percentage. All
So
the variables. Okay.
this is the variable because there are so many other variables here. As by default there are some other things too.
Mm-hmm.
Now we saw list as arrange a list. So
Mm-hmm.
um,
Okay.
it's
So this is a
also
canvas, sorry, Jupyter notebook face specific, right? If I type this percentage who in my PyCharm, will it give the same results?
no, only Jupyter notebook.
Okay.
Okay. So percentage of who list all defined variables. But if you put a s here, like but gives more detail like types, what kind of data types here. List oh, this is a variable name, the type. Arrange is a variable name, range is the function we use. Range 0 to 5. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So the value of n equal to 5 when we use this one. Ignore all of this, brother. So don't need to worry about this. Yeah, so up to a list. So this there are some other things like reset time, time it. So we will learn all these, but we don't need to know everything.
Mm-hmm.
Just I use this command often to see what kind of data sets we have right now.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
now I'm going to delete this one. So
Mm.
now a list of 4, what we will get.
Our basic list is 0, 1, 2, 3, 5 to 8, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Great. So it's not included whatever it has.
Yeah.
The index of 4, it's not included.
Right.
So now I have a question. So you have to do this one. A list of 0, 5, and then 2. So what we will get?
Okay. 0 to 5. I don't know.
So if you think about clearly what we discussed before, there are two operators like start, like this step.
End. Yeah.
So now what we have here we have three things.
Yes.
So first thing, it's from the starting thing.
Mm.
So yes, this is a name of the string or list, whatever it has. So slicing takes substring sublist, right? So first one start, second one stop, third one step.
Oh, okay.
So what does each one do? It starts from here.
Mm-hmm.
it steps based on the value. If it's a positive value, it adds up to the positive value.
Mm-hmm.
But if we have a negative value, it give you the negative value. Let's say if we have a positive 5, it adds up to the positive 5.
Mm-hmm.
So it starts from here. It starts, then stop means it's not included the value. It stops before that value.
Yeah.
So whatever we, so here now just think 0 5 2. So 0 5 2.
Okay.
So now if you think about it, what is happening here, brother?
It is 0 to 5 means it will print values from 0 excluding 5, and step of 2 means it will not print everything.
Mm-hmm.
It will start 0, it will skip 1, then second value will be printed, it will skip 3, fourth value will be printed. Is that correct?
Yep. So
Okay.
start means the index where slicing begins,
Mm-hmm.
which means is inclusive. Already we talked before.
Mm.
The stop means the index where slicing ends. Sorry, this one. Stop.
Mm-hmm.
Stop means uh, where the slicing ends. The index where the slicing ends.
Mm.
Slicing ends, but is exclusive.
Mm-hmm.
Step means how many elements to skip. How many elements to skip. Our default is 1. Default is 1. So every time it takes a different things. So now if we see here 0, then if I print 579, why we got 579?
0 to 5 means it is already bound to print from 5, 6, 7.
So we
0,
have a
1,
list.
2. Mm-hmm.
Sorry, brother. Sorry. So we have a list of numbers. Where did we start from? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right?
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how does it work, sir? So so this is, we started from 0 to 5 and 2. So it first to 0, then it adds up into next to 2. Basically 0, then 2, then always add this one same number. 2,
4.
4, but it's not included the 5. So now if you see this one 0, then adds up to 0 plus 2 2, then again adds up 2 plus 2 4. Makes sense, brother?
Yeah, yeah.
So what if I give 3 here?
Actually, it will exceed the total length, right? Because 0th position is 1, sorry, 5. Then third position is 7.
0 1 2 3.
Yeah. 0th position is, sorry, 0th position is 5. Then 7. Then oh, you change. Sorry, you changed it to 3, right? Okay. 0th position is 5. Then 3 means 0,
2, 3
1.
means this one.
Yeah, 8 will come. Then will it give error or not?
So make sure this one is not included, but it can stop before this number. But we don't
Okay,
have,
okay.
if I, let's say first 0, then add 0 plus 3, 3.
3. Mm-hmm.
So 0 list of 0, 5, 3, first 0, then adds 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 3,
6.
6, but we have to stop before 5.
4, 5. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
but if we stop before 6, 5 no, then we have to stop it here
Mm-hmm.
because we have a 5, but if we have 6, 7, then we can stop here. If we have 7, make sure that this value always be higher than this, then we can stop here. Otherwise we will stop the before what it gets, like here. So 0.
Yeah, you mean to say the last 5 is exclusive, so we cannot write that anyway, right? We cannot write it anyway.
Yeah,
So we have to. Okay, okay.
so now we'll get 5 and 8.
1, 7 to 0, 1, 2, 3. So always 0th position will be printed, then plus 3, third position. Yeah, got it. 5 and
So
8.
it just adds up this value. So 0, then every time it adds 3. 0 plus 3, 3. 0 plus 3 plus 3, 6. But if we give whatever the value we give here, it stops before that. It's not included. If we don't have that exact value, it will stop it before it. So
Okay.
now I'm going to a list of so now you have to do this one, brother. What is happening here?
Double colon. Okay. So I am assuming there is no starting position, there is no ending position. It is only adds 0, 3, 6. It will keep on printing like that. Is that correct?
Yeah, so
Can I just print it? I'm just curious.
yeah, so last time when we see element, so what did we get? If we have only one slice operator, one colon and 3, which means it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 is not included, right? If we have one colon, but we have two colons here. So I'm going to explain, let's say we will put here maybe 2. I will explain this one, then you have to tell me the result. Okay, brother?
Okay.
So before we running, so a list, first one is a start, stop actually third one, then
Yeah.
this one is the step, stop or end, maybe you can use end to, so I always use triple S, start, step, stop. Start means a blank in this situation, which means
Yeah.
start blank. Blank means start from the beginning, index 0. Stop means blank, means go until the end. But we don't included the value. Next we give a, it's a step 2 means take every second element. Every second element. So now think of like this. So This is the values, right, brother?
Mm.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Index, this one 0, this one 1, this one 2, this one 3, 4, 5.
Mm.
So what will be the index 0?
5.
Index 0 means, so a list, what it picks, so it starts from index 0,
Mm.
then index 2, then index 4.
0. Yeah, it will take 0. Then it will take index 2 and index 4. 6 and 9.
Yeah, so it takes index, first one it takes, because
Mm.
it adds up every time 2, right?
Mm-mm.
Because we,
0, 5, 7, 9. Is
okay,
that correct?
yeah. So make sure if we have a
Mm.
2 columns, which means start from blank. Blank means
Mm.
start from the beginning index. Start from the
0.
beginning index.
Mm-mm.
Okay, what is the beginning index?
0 and which value is 5.
Okay, 0, right? First one is good.
Mm-mm.
We got 0, which means 5, you said. Then
Mm.
here,
What
first
is
one
to
is
do?
start. This is a
Mm.
step. The third one is a stop. Right, brother? Start,
Mm.
step,
Mm.
stop.
Yeah.
Step
Mm.
means take every second element.
Mm.
This means take every second element. Every second element. Start from 0, then take from
Mm.
there second element.
Mm. Mm.
So every second element,
So it will go to second index means next value 7 will come, right?
yes, every second element. Then
Mm. Then 2 plus 2, fourth index. So correspondingly 9 will appear.
9 will
And
appear.
yeah, and end of list is ending at fifth index position. So we cannot use that.
Use. So stop means blank means go until the end, but we have to do 2 means add every, starts from 0, right, brother?
Mm.
Index,
Mm. Yeah, yeah.
then add
Mm.
always 2,
Mm.
take every second element. So what will be the output, you guess now?
5, 7, 9.
5, 7, 9. We'll see. Wow, very smart, brother.
It took lot of time. Sorry.
No, that's good. So our goal is, even if we take time, make sure that even if you learn few things, the best
Mm.
thing is to learn, not to skip.
Mm-hmm.
So let's talk about -1. We'll guess what you gonna get.
Okay. In this case, -1 means we will take from the. Can you go to that Excalibur?
Okay.
-1. So starting position is 10. Then starting position always 10. -1 to 10, comma 9.
So in this case, in this situation, -1, it starts -1, right, brother?
Mm-hmm.
So -1 means,
Sorry, no 0. Only 10.
okay, 10, it starts, but we have colons before.
Mm.
So in this case, what's gonna happen?
As it is mentioned, colon means start from the beginning.
Okay.
Then nothing mentioned means end is also not mentioned, and -1 means step. So in this case, index is not starting with 0, right? Since we are if you are starting from the right side, the index starts with -1, not 0. Correct, right?
Yes.
Sorry, the first value then it will be -10. Then step is -1. Oh, I think it will print everything, including the most left value.
Great, brother. That's all right. That's the right answer. So this is called a reversing a list. So
Oh, okay. So if I want to reverse a list, they will directly like this. They will just if I see some coding, those who are good at programming, they will simply write like this, right? So I have to understand that it is a reversing list, right?
yeah. So this syntax is a reverse the list. Same thing. Whatever I said, a list of here. First one, start, stop, step. So list what we did like right here. This is the question we have to do. Here start means like empty. Start from the end. Start from the end. Start from the end. Next, the second one is the stop. I mean, the third one, middle one. Stop means go to the beginning. Go to the beginning. Step one, sorry, step this negative one. The step means move backward. One step at a time.
Okay.
So here, which means this one in the middle. Can you see this, brother? Colon. This colon means go to the beginning. Beginning means the first. Start means start from the end. When you have start from the end, go to the beginning. This one,
Okay.
this the step. So this one start. Start means start from the end. We start from the end. So go to the beginning. Step one, negative one means move backward one step per time, one step at a time. Backwards one step at a time. You have to go until the beginning. So as you mentioned, so what we gonna get? Start from the beginning. Sorry, end of the list. Whatever six. So it's 10. This in the middle column means go to the beginning. So negative 1 means 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So whatever you said, it's true. So now, what we will get if I change it to 2.
Again, it will start from the right side. In this case, instead of -1, it will start with 10. Sorry, 9, 7, and the last value it cannot print. So I think it is 9 and 9,7.
So let's see what's gonna happen.
Oh, sorry. Always start with 10. Okay. 10th position.
So it's from here at the end. Negative 2 means. So it starts from here.
Yeah, 0 is always there, right? Not 0.
We cannot count this one as a negative 1.
0, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So then this is from here negative 1, negative 2, and then negative 1 and negative 2. Always there.
Sorry. How once again? 10 means -1, right?
-1.
That is 6. -2 means 9. -3 means 8. -3.
So here it starts from the end. Then the step means we have to use negative 2. Start from here. The negative 2 we have to count here. Negative we don't include this one, the -1 and -2, then again step 1, -1 and -2, which means 6. So if we have a 2 instead of 1, so
Yeah, here still I am not getting clarity.
okay,
So it is when you told that indexing is starting from 0 to 1. If it is normal indexing, it will start with 0, leftmost value, and it will go and keep on going. But if we are specifying minus steps, then the first value will be always -1, right? We will not start from 0.
yeah, so what's gonna happen here,
Hmm.
start means from the end, we have to start from the end,
Hmm.
and then middle means empty, go to the beginning,
Hmm.
and then this one step
Hmm.
-2 means go backwards, skipping one item each time, whatever we
Hmm.
mention here. So we have a list starts at index 5,
Hmm.
0 1 2 3 4 5, which means
Hmm.
-2.
Uh-huh.
Skip one back, so we have to skip one back means go to the index 3,
Hmm.
which is a -10, sorry 8.
Hmm.
Then again we have to skip one back, go to index 1, we have to skip this one, then go here.
Hmm.
So which means this is if it's a -2 means this, skip this one, then come here
Hmm. Hmm.
in the -2 means again skip this one, and then -2. We started from here, then skip one because of the -2, then go here,
Hmm.
then skip one,
Hmm.
then again this one. If I add here one more element, it will print other value like 4 and stuff like that.
Hmm. So I will do more practice, and definitely I will get back to you if I have some issues. Yeah. I'm getting the thing, but I think if I practice more, I will get it.
Yeah, so I will update the homework, don't need to worry about anything. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, practice will give you a lot of experience.
Mm.
First we start, then stop, then skip. Skipping means whatever
Mm-hmm.
we skipping. So here, but -2, let's say I'm going to give you one example if we have time. This is
Even
gonna
if it is okay.
use slicing to write like Mike is a nice guy from this text. So let's say um, text is equal to 3 4 5 D F Y U G E C I N A space A space S space E K I M space maybe E K capital M space 9 3 8 4 5 D. So if I print this one text, so we got this one. Now my question is,
Mm.
Mike is a nice guy from this text. How can we get it?
Yeah, we have to
So
actually pick every characters in that particular order and list that through slicing.
yeah, so if I want to get a Mike M letter, what
Mm.
slice operator I have to use? What I have to skip? So first thing,
reverse it.
we have to start from where?
From left to, sorry, from right to left, because it is reversed now.
So I'm gonna do here. Um, so what will be the M letter be?
Mm, Sorry, I can start from any position, right? 0 to 1.
Mm-hmm.
No, in this case, I have to, since you have written reversely, I will start with minus indexing.
Yes, that's the first thing. You got it. So
Mm-hmm.
so I
And
need a I need to
minus
get
1,
a
yeah.
M, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what index number I have to mention?
Okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 7, minus 8.
Great. -8. I'm going to give you, so because since here now. Okay, so let's run this one. Mike is a nice guy. So the homework is, you want me to explain it this one, right? -8, which means this.
Mm,
Then -1 means it's going here, adds up to
mm,
this.
mm,
-1 means -9, -10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, whatever it has. Then it stops here, which means what is a 4 value? 1 0 1 2 3 4. So it starts before that, so it starts here, then adds -1 means, so -8, -9, -10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23, 24, and 25. -25, whatever may be, this will be the
mm.
4. 4 means it stops here, +4.
So why can't we like that? Write that minus 25 or 24. Can we do like that also?
Yeah, so yeah, we can do that, whatever you think it's right. So my homework, just this one for today.
Mm.
So I'm not going to update this homework on Canvas until we go to the small project. So um, so we have to make sure we get the answer. Mike is a nice guy.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay.
Okay, so this is what we talked about, indexing and slicings. So I will update more homework on these two topics, then we'll go to functions.
Okay, so where can I get this recording for my future
Yeah,
reference?
I will send you the YouTube link
Okay,
for this recording.
okay, okay, okay.